Hello everyone, today we will learn about the use case of the Whitelabel chat window and how you can buy it. So first of all, you have to navigate to the subscription panel. Here you will find a add-on section. You can see the section for Whitelabel chat window. Just click on it and here you will see that you can buy the Whitelabel chat window for any of the available bots. So basically Whitelabel chat window is that you can remove our brand name from there and display your brand name to your customers. You must have seen that in the chat window, there is a line in the bottom of the chat window written powered by BotPenguin. You can remove that line and give some other line that you want your customer should get. So here you have to select the bot. Then here you will see the corresponding amount for that. Then click on buy now. After filling in the details, you have to make the payment and you have successfully purchased the Whitelabel chat window. Thank you very much.